Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to join the family, and if you have been sticking around with me, girl, I got you. Guys, give this video a thumbs up for me because it really helps me a lot, and leave a love emoji in the comment section so I feel your presence, girl. You know how we do it, so let's get into today's video. To start, we are going to need a straightener, then a hot comb, that's what you guys are seeing in the video right now, a clip, then the foam wrap. This is the silky shea butter foam wrap, and a styling gel, a comb, then a scissors. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through how you can blunt cut and bob a straight wig. It's super easy, guys, and it's going to be beginner friendly. If you are new to this, don't worry, just make sure you're having your equipment and watch this video and practice it with me. So what you guys are seeing right now is to part my hair into section. But before that, I'm going to make sure that my straightener is turned on to the highest temperature, to the highest speed, like to the highest, for it to heat very well. That's what I really meant. So I turn it on to the highest volume as possible, then I start. You have to take your hair in sections and straighten it very well. So firstly, we are going to straighten all our hair, then after that we cut and bob our wig. So that's what we are going to do basically in this video, not too much in here. So you are going to straighten your hairs into sections, so you just part it into sections and straighten it accordingly. So that's what you guys see me do right now. So yeah, enjoy the video. After you are done with your first section, you're going to move on to the second section. So you're going to part some of the hairs you want to straighten, then you're going to hold the rest you are not straightening in a clip so that it doesn't really disturb you when you're straightening the others you've parted to straighten. So that's what you guys can see me do. So yeah, you're going to take a section of your hair, then you straighten it accordingly, as in you straighten it accordingly. So that's what you guys see me do. Hey, so that's what you guys see me do right now. So that's what I'm actually doing. So keep on enjoying this video, guys. When you're actually done straightening your wig, you're going to need the scissors to trim the ends. So you have to trim the ends of your wig before you actually bob it. So guys, you're going to see me do that right now. When cutting your wig, make sure you're cutting it in a straight form to enable it not slant or not get crooked or not, like, I don't know how to put it, but I hope you get what I'm saying. So you have to cut it gently and make sure you do a very neat and nice job. After you are done trimming the ends, it's now time to bob. So guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to bob your wig. You're going to take it, straighten it to the end, then you try to put it inside. So you're going to see, yes, you're going to try to put it inside, wait for a while, then you're going to see that your hair is going to curve that way. We are going to apply this to all our hairs, and after that I'm going to show you how you are going to comb it to get your blunt bob wig. Yes, we are going to slay this wig, and we are going to be popping, and we are going to be looking yummy, girl. So yeah, that's it. So after that you comb it. So as you guys can see, I'm combing it inside. That's what you have to do. You have to comb it inside, putting your hands inside the wig and combing it inside like that for you to achieve your bob, your blunt bob wig. So guys, keep on enjoying this video. Yep. At this point I'm going to be using my hot comb. So yeah, I'll be using the hot comb to flatten the closure down, the closure part of the wig. So I just want it to lay down flat, and yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. So I'll be using the hot comb to comb it like that. Then after using the hot comb, I'm going to apply my mousse. Guys, you've seen this mousse in my wet skills video, how to do a closure wig. I'll be leaving that in the description box, so go check it out. I've been using that mousse. It's very good. It's going to help your hair lay down flat. One thing I love about this foam wrap is that from other mousse is that this one won't harden your hair. It's not going to make your hair very hard. It's going to leave it soft and flat as possible. So that's the reason why I love this foam wrap, guys. You can just get the name, go to any hair product shop and get one for yourself. You're going to love it. You're not going to regret buying it at all. So after applying the foam wrap on my hair, the closure part, I'm going to go back to the hot comb and use it to comb the place. And guys, that is it. Our wig is ready. Our blunt bob wig is ready, and we are gonna slay it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, I just don't know what to say again. I don't know what to say again actually. But if you haven't subscribed to join the family. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video, and share to your friends. You get what I'm saying? But don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram page. Let's be friends there. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.